May I come?
Oh, come.
Good
Deepak
afternoon, sir.
Kumar Singh.
No, sir. I am Jayant Nahata.
Acha, sit down.
Thank you.
Jayant. Nice name, Jayant. Have you heard of Jayant Sinha?
Yes, sir.
Who is he now?
Sir, as I recall, he is the Minister of State for Civil Aviation.
No, he was earlier, but not now. Now Hardeep Puri is the Minister for Civil Aviation.
Yes, sir. In the earlier.
Jayant
government.
Sinha, I think is not. He is member of Parliament only from Hazaribagh,
Okay.
son of Yashwant Sinha.
Yes.
Huh? Good, Jayant. First, when is your interview?
So 1st April.
Oh, 1st April.
Yes.
What is this notion about April Fool, bhai? Batao. There are different theories.
Yes, sir.
Why is it called April Fool's Day?
So yes, there are many theories. One of the theories is
Whichever suits you.
yes, sir.
Tell me.
In France, they earlier followed the Julian calendar. It celebrated New Year's Day on 25th March, and the holidays extended till 1st April. But then France shifted in the 16th century. They shifted and followed the Gregorian calendar, and the Gregorian calendar is the 1st January will be celebrated as New Year's Day. So they use the term Poisson d'Avril, like April fish, for people who still celebrated on 1st April. And they used to tease each other that you're still celebrating on that day, and they used to call them fishes of April. So one of the theories is that.
And the other theory?
So one of them I recall, it is unsubstantiated, but there was a book and there is some story that one person called the other as a fox, and I don't remember that story, sir, sorry. But I found this one more legible because in that story people interpreted that there was no direct linkage, and after scholars went back they saw that it's a misinterpretation, that from that book they have originated the April Fool's Day.
But there was some theory saying that in March you have only 31 days. Somebody had suggested that
Exactly.
the meeting will be held on 32nd March.
Yeah, 32 days.
32 days when there are only 31.
Yes.
And on the first, basically, he was fooled. These are all the stories.
Yes.
But anyway, I'm sure it's going to be lucky for you. Now tell us, Jayant, about yourself very briefly. You are from where and what all you have done and all that.
So my name is Jayant Nahata. I was born in Kolkata but brought up in Delhi. I have done my bachelor's in technology and master's in technology from IIT Delhi.
Oh, which subject?
So biochemical engineering and biotechnology.
Very good.
I have graduated in 2018 and this is my second attempt in UPSC and my first interview.
And first interview. And your optional?
So my optional is political science and international relations.
Oh, good. After having done engineering, you have gone in for political science.
Yes, sir.
Why this?
So first of all, like in engineering, my default choice had been engineering because after 10th class, because of my good academic performance, I chose science. I liked science at that point of time. And the most competitive exam in 11th, 12th that people look forward to clear and crack is the IIT JEE. So I cracked that exam and I landed in IIT Delhi. But in Delhi, I had diverse set of experiences. I was the general secretary of the Apex student body in IIT Delhi. I did work there.
You were in which hostel?
So Shivalik Hostel.
Shivalik, okay.
Yes, sir. So my experiences as a general secretary, I worked in social entrepreneurship, and all these experiences convinced me that my passion and enthusiasm in administrative work is much more than my bent for research orientation. And after talking to my seniors and other colleagues, I thought that civil services
Your
will be.
father is in business?
Yes, sir.
What business?
Sir, he imports and does trading. He's a businessman.
In which items?
Sir, he does different parts. In automobile, he's there. In spare parts.
Does he get anything from China?
No, sir. He sources from Taiwan.
Taiwan, okay. Then he's safe. But I find your mother's income is more than your father's.
Yes, sir.
Even though your mother is only a housewife.
Yes, sir.
How come some properties in Delhi
Yes, sir.
or in Calcutta?
Sir, Delhi.
Delhi.
Delhi, we have the properties in the name of my mother, so the rental income.
Okay. Now this, you have done biochemical engineering and biotechnology. Now this coronavirus, It has anything to do with your subject or nothing?
So yes, it has to do with my subject. The coronavirus is, at the end of the day, it's a virus, and the medical workers and researchers are still looking how to identify what antigen there is, and how can we make antibodies to counter that antigen on the surface of the virus. So yes, it has to do with my subject, sir.
You didn't try for campus placement. You have not worked anywhere, right?
No, sir. I did my internship, and so I was very determined to crack civil services. And
internship, where did you do?
sir, in Nomura Research Institute, it's a consulting firm.
I know, but what exactly was your job? Which area were you doing?
So it was automobile consulting division.
Automobile
Yes.
consulting. But again, on the IT side or what?
So it's a management consulting firm. So I worked on a project for electric vehicles.
Electric vehicles?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
It was a
good.
2-month internship, sir.
Oh, how many? 2 months only?
Yes, sir. The summer internship from IIT Delhi itself.
2 months, hardly anything.
Yes, sir.
Did you have a look at the battery in the electric vehicle?
No,
What sort
sir.
of batteries are used?
So lithium-ion batteries. are
Lithium.
used.
What is property of that? What is special about it? Is it weighty item or a very less weight?
So it's a lightweight item.
Less weight item.
But then the amount of charge that you need for a car, yes, it becomes heavy in that sense. But I don't know the exact weight.
The dead weight is much more. You know what a dead weight is?
No, sir. Not aware, sir.
Okay. Your interview is on 1st April, so a lot of time. Otherwise, you belong to which state you have mentioned?
So Delhi.
Oh, you mentioned
Home state is
Delhi
Delhi.
only.
Yes.
Your place of birth is West Bengal, is it?
Calcutta.
Something you have mentioned.
Yes.
Calcutta.
Your mother tongue is also sorry. Your mother tongue is also Bengali.
No, sir. It's Hindi, sir. Yes.
Ah, because your name is Nahata. No? Nahatas are Bengalis.
No, sir. We are Marwadis, sir.
Marwadis.
Yes, sir. Jain community.
Jain.
Yes.
You follow Jainism?
Yes, sir. I follow
Huh?
Jainism.
What,
Yes.
what is that teaching, main teaching of Jainism?
So the
You have some principles, no?
Yes, sir.
Four?
5 principles.
5. What are they?
So the first principle is truth and truth. The second is non-violence. The third is asteya.
What is Asteya?
Sir, asteya is non-possession. And then we have aparigraha,
What is that?
non-attachment.
And the last and
Brahmacharya.
important- Huh?
Fifth is brahmacharya. That was given by the
Brahmacharya.
24th Tirthankar.
Correct. So you will follow that?
Sir, in the strict sense of the term, like avoiding all sorts of relationships, and I am not able to follow. But yeah, the modern interpretation that you are true to your partner, you practice fidelity. Yes, I'm very much following that principle.
You are following that.
Yes.
Very good. Do you see movies?
Sometimes, sir, not as a hobby, but sometimes.
That's one recent movie, Subh Mangal something.
Zyada
Ah,
sir.
have you seen that?
No, sir, no.
Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir, I've heard.
What
about
is it about?
Sir, it's about same-sex relationships.
So
It's
what do you
about-
think of that? Especially in the context of Jainism and all that.
Sir, Jainism as such doesn't prescribe anything against same-sex relationships. At least I'm not aware about it. I think Jainism is a progressive religion, and it also the interpretation varies, and they update themselves to new realities of modern world. And I don't find
change
any.
with time.
Yes, sir, you change your principles, you update your principles with time.
Very good. But tell me, what is your personal view on this? Do you have a personal view?
Yes, sir. I don't find anything wrong in it. In fact, it's very natural.
It's very natural.
It's natural. Even in the Supreme Court, it has said that
No,
humans are not
which
the.
article? Which article? Supreme Court. They are passed. You are right.
Yes, sir.
It's legal under what section are there?
Sir, one is Article 21, the right to life,
No,
and the
that-
one is right to equality, Article 14.
No, there is something 300 plus what? 377? What is that?
That is the Section 377 of
Yes,
the IPC.
what is that?
So Section 377 of the IPC was diluted by the Supreme Court in its landmark order in the
Anyway, forget about the case, but what
Yes, sir.
was the verdict?
So the verdict was the Supreme Court said that there is nothing that the Section 377 was very arbitrary. It was not based on scientific evidence, and it criminalizes a thing which is in the domain of personal freedom and choice. And this judgment also stemmed from the K. Puttaswamy judgment, which said that right to privacy entails your right to choice and in marriage and selecting your
So
relationships.
there's nothing illegal about it.
There's not
This is
nothing
the
illegal
thing.
about it.
So you also seem to agree.
Yes, sir.
I mean, not the legal part of it, but otherwise.
Yes, sir. As a concept, as a principle, if two people are willing and it is not forceful, it's voluntary. It is.
Very good, very good. But you expect some sociological implications in time to come?
So sociological implications. It shows that our society is modern. It is tolerant to different views, and
Okay, go on.
yes, there is some opposition from conservative elements in the society which do not want the old marriage structure to falter under this new concept. But then I think we all have, as a society, have a responsibility to take care of every different view, especially when those two people's choices are not infringing on anybody else's rights.
Very good. Now tell me, what do you understand by inclusive growth? You know, with the concept of inclusive growth, what do you understand by that?
So inclusive growth is a concept wherein the fruits of the increasing pie of the pie of the economy. If the economy is growing, the fruits should reach the bottom of the section, the minorities, different sections, and it should be inclusive in its environmental aspects also. In its impact, it should not be promoting unequal growth or crony capitalism. It should not promote cronyism. The fruit should reach everybody.
So it should reach every section of the
Section
population.
of the society.
But
especially
how about regions? Backward regions should remain backward.
No, sir.
And then your definition is incomplete.
Yes, sir. Even in
The
regions.
definition is benefits should accrue to all sections and all regions of the country.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
It's not only people but also the regions. The backward distant regions should also benefit and should develop, otherwise it will remain backward.
Yes, sir, definitely. Thank you.
Okay, now this Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas is the same. Is it the same thing? PM has a program called Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas.
Sabka Vishwas is also.
Now,
happening.
Vishwas also now.
Yes.
Is it the same thing?
Yes, sir. I think it's about regions also. It's about different sections of the society also. People with different religious choices, with different culture and ethnicity. So it's about taking every opinion, every different section together and region also together.
And also PM, says less governance, less government and more governance.
Yes.
What does it mean? Is there any contradiction in this? Less government, more governance.
Sir, I think there is no contradiction in it. The PM, the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime
What
Minister.
is the implication? You are right.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
The implication is the government should not interfere but intervene. It should act as a facilitator in the lives of the people. It should boost the ease of living and ease of doing business. It should refrain from getting into sectors where it will act as a hindrance.
Very good.
To
Have you
new
seen
growth.
this year's economic survey?
No, sir.
No.
But I've not delved into details of it,
Ah.
but
Little bit, you know.
little bit.
But there is something about governance and government, role of government.
No, sir, I'm not aware of it.
The economic survey advocates for lesser government, like government interference. It says government should intervene only where there is a market failure.
Right.
If private players and private system can take care of, government need not bother. Like airlines, like telephones,
Right, sir.
things like that. Only where remote areas and certain, special, where it's not profitable, but still it's essential. From social point of view, government should invest and take into, develop those.
Correct.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sure, very good. Now, there is a concept called rule of law. What do you understand by rule of law?
So the rule of law is a concept given by
Now, just define, don't get into detail.
Rule of law
you may
is-
commit mistake. Huh?
yes, sir. Rule of law is that there should be no arbitrary use of power. The governance and the government should run based on certain principles rather than whims and fancies
But
of
you give
certain.
long answer.
Okay.
Equality before
Equality
law.
before
Nobody
law.
is above law.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Simple. I mean, we want that crystal answer, not going around. And what is rule by law? That is rule of law. This is rule by law. What is this rule by law?
Sir, I don't know exactly.
Yeah, what could it be?
What?
Rule
Ah.
by law.
Rule by law, sir, that whatever actions the government officials are taking, it should be guided by certain legislative backing.
No. It refers to a situation where in certain countries you have more than one law. You take Pakistan. They have some sort of a constitution, but they also Shariat law.
Right.
Muslim law, this law, that law, under that law.
Right.
It's not like India where you have. Huh? Good.
Thank you.
Very, very nice to see you. You yourself spoke of passion and your passion for
Confidence is good.
public service.
Limited awareness.
And you have been a resident of Delhi also. Delhi has seen in the recent past a lot of
Next
movements
day is mine.
on the student front recently, and now overtaken by
Who is the
the
chairman?
Delhi riots.
Lady.
And you have a passion for leadership,
Yes.
and you have seen it, the advantage of seeing it for yourself. So, as a potential administrator, how do you view these two things, student agitation and now the Delhi riots?
Right.
Very briefly, we are interested in knowing your views, considered views on this.
So the riots that are happening, they are unfortunate. But as far as my views on student agitations are concerned, I support student protests, but they should be peaceful. They should be voluntary rather than forced upon certain other people. And as the High Courts and Supreme Courts have said earlier, especially in educational and universities, the right to education of people who want to study, it precedes the right to protest.
Good.
So your agitation cannot hinder the educational activities on the campus. So if it's within that limited thing,
And yes, and coming to the riots, recent riots.
yes, sir. Sir, are you? I just wanted to clarify. Are you referring about the CA riots or the JNU riots?
No, that is over. JNU riots is over. Now you come to the.
And you know what? Here, don't say "are you."
Okay.
You are not addressing the member as "are you," and
Sorry, sir.
it's a very formal thing.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Perhaps you, I mean,
It's
the
natural,
question
it's
is-
spontaneous, but
Yeah, but it's a
as
very
chairman
formal.
put it's a little formal.
Yeah.
So you can say.
Perhaps the question pertains to like that, say that way and get away. Don't say "are you."
No, I am of course referring to the last few days. You know that riots where people were
Yes,
killed.
sir. Yes, sir.
Northeast.
Yes,
Delhi.
Northeast Delhi, right. So yes, the riots that happened were very unfortunate. It showed deficiencies on the part of the police as well as the society
Okay.
as a whole.
Okay.
I think that these riots should not have happened, and preventive measures should have been taken to promote peace among different communities and different sections of the society.
Must have been very
And
brief,
that unfortunately couldn't happen, and that led to precipitation of a riots-like
Supposing
situation.
you were the Commissioner of Police Delhi at that time,
Right.
how would you have responded to this situation as it developed? Prevention is one thing. As it developed,
Yes.
how would you have responded to it?
Sir, as the Commissioner of Police, I would have taken actions on many fronts. Firstly, I would have used proportionate force
Okay.
when there are rioters and miscreants who have
But then we
weapons.
had the visit of the President of US. We were busy there. That is the.
Sir, Delhi Police is a 80,000 strong police force. I think we have enough force to deploy, and especially in sensitive situations which also impact the visit of the President of USA. So I think we should have used our
Good,
force.
Jayant, you are a scholar, student of international relations, isn't it? If you take the last 2 decades or even before that, there's a lot of activity in the Middle East. Then Gulf countries, Iraq, then Syria. A lot of things are happening.
Political science.
So, as a scholar of international relations, how do you put it in perspective? So, taking one event there in isolation, the Iraq, Afghanistan, Gulf or Syria, now US withdrawing.
Yes.
Can you put it in perspective as an international scholar for the benefit of us?
Yes, sir. Sir, I see the last 20 years, the first few years,
Yeah.
the US was very much dependent on oil from the region.
Okay.
And currently they have had huge reserves of shale gas and they are self-sufficient. And they no longer want to continue in the region because it is politically backfiring on them.
Okay.
Because of huge losses in Afghanistan and Syrian involvement of the US forces in Syria. So I see that first of all it is oil dependency which is now reduced, so US is withdrawing from the region.
Good. Okay. There is a perception that when we are doing a lot for the business, ease of doing business, we are not giving the agricultural sector the priority it deserves. There are a lot of rural distress, farmers committing suicide, and the opposition parties concentrating there. So how do you look at it? Is it a lopsided emphasis on the business industry sector to the neglect of the agrarian sector?
Sir, I think the government is focusing on the agriculture sector given the amount of budget outlays also it does and the amount of schemes and programs they have launched. They are tackling agriculture sector, but yes, what are the
structural problems,
Structural.
so-called structural problems in agriculture?
Sir, in agriculture, the structural problems arise from pre-farm, the inputs, the seeds, the fertilizer subsidies that are there. Then the land is there, which is the title deeds are not in favor of women who are increasingly in agriculture. Then on farm, we see that the capital allocation to agriculture, the small and medium, the marginal farmers that are there, the capital allocation, the technology use, the extension services, and in the forward linkages we see the processing units are less, the marketing, agricultural marketing is a huge challenge.
About the Harappan civilization, you know that. What is the distinctive feature which appeals to you in the Harappan culture, civilization?
Sir, in Harappan civilization, firstly it is one of the oldest civilizations across the world. The distinct feature I see is the syncretic values that they practiced. They had mother goddesses also, they had bearded man. So that the third I see that the culture, the arts and culture that they practiced, different amulets, and how the urban infrastructure, especially the urban planning that they did, was very remarkable. And we can see that even today's planned cities like Chandigarh, they kind of resemble in the
Sir.
Yeah, Mr. Jayant, related with your BTech. What do you mean by nonsense cordon, initiating cordon, terminating cordon? Deciphering the genetic code related with initiating codon, terminating codon, nonsense codon.
So codons, initiating and terminating codons are signals to enzymes on where to start the sequence and where to start the manufacturing of
That's
RNA
right.
molecules.
So related with initiating, which are those codons, and terminating codon.
I'm not aware
UAA, UAG, UGA, which codons are these?
Sir, I'm not able to recall.
Anyway, no problem. Reverse transcription. What do you mean by reverse transcription? transcription, translation.
Yes, sir.
Transcription. Reverse DNA to RNA, RNA to proteins, enzymes.
Right.
Now reverse. Message goes from DNA to RNA, RNA to
Proteins. Sir.
proteins. Now reverse transcription. And who discovered reverse transcription? Reverse transcriptase. And they were awarded Nobel Prize. Who were they? What do you mean by reverse transcription? And who got the Nobel Prize related with this?
So reverse transcription means that you decipher the original genetic code, the DNA, from the RNA and protein molecules, and the enzymes that is responsible for manufacturing is.
So we can say transcriptase is responsible for information from DNA to RNA and reverse transcription RNA to DNA.
yes.
Then who discovered that? And they were awarded Nobel Prize.
Not aware, sir.
Name start first T and another one with B. Anyway, Temin and Baltimore.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, no problem. Now, what do you mean by COD? I won't ask you about BOD. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Earlier I asked you about BOD.
Yes,
Now I think you want to say biological oxygen demand.
Yes, sir.
अब नहीं कहेंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Now you tell me what is COD.
So COD is a chemical oxidation demand.
Mhm.
It is the complete oxidation of the biomass that is there, and how much oxygen is required for degradation of all organic and inorganic matter.
Okay, in Paris you might have seen a building which exactly resembles with India Gate. You have gone to Paris.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
So what is that
So
building?
the Arc of Triumph.
You have seen that building, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aparigraha. I think I did not ask that question last time. Aparigraha, does it it means the same as sustainable development or something else? Aparigraha. You mentioned aparigraha
Yes,
when
sir.
one question was being asked.
Yes, sir.
So whether it is the same as sustainable management of natural sources, sustainable development, or it is a different thing?
Sir, aparigraha means non-attachment.
And this is also there that we have to take only that much which is required. This is also included in aparigraha.
Okay, sir.
Do you agree with me?
And sir, I'm hearing it for the first time.
Yeah, it is also there.
Yeah.
That
If it's done, then
only
sustainable.
take that much which is required, not more than that.
Okay, sir.
No luxury. Okay. Now another. What do you mean by Santhara? Santhara in Jainism.
So Santhara is a concept in Jainism where people, when they have realized that their body no longer serves a purpose in getting outside of samsara and the cycle of life and death, if the body no longer serves a purpose, then you decide to end the life and embrace death as a natural progression towards moksha.
Okay,
And-
active euthanasia, passive euthanasia. Which one is permitted in Jainism and which one is permitted by the Supreme Court about a year back in its decision?
So Supreme Court has allowed passive euthanasia and living
Passive
will.
euthanasia means?
Passive euthanasia means that if the patient is in vegetative state, a permanent vegetative state, then you allow him the choice to end his life without
Choose.
choose to end his life, and no medical treatment if he doesn't require. If he opts for it, you don't provide him medical treatment.
Okay, related with your subject only, BTech,
Yes, sir.
rice genome. Now, who are involved related with this? Deciphering the rice genome. Who is involved from our country related with this? There were so many persons, I think, from 10 different places. And 2 places here also from which scientists were involved. So, where from? I give you a hint, one from South Campus, Delhi, and another one from ICRI. IRI.
Sir, I know about only one eminent personality from DU, which is Mr. Deepak Pental. But he is
No, Deepak Pental, he was Vice Chancellor, he was not involved at all. Professor Akhilesh Kumar Tyagi
Okay, sir. Not a
and his team from DU and similarly from IRI also.
Okay, sir.
Scientists.
Thank
So,
you,
all over the world, 10 different places.
Okay.
Scientists were involved. Anyway, now coming to political science and international relations. So CA, you are very well aware, you might be very well aware that these are the state legislative assemblies who have passed resolution against it. There is a union territory also. Which is that union territory, by the way, which has passed resolution against CA?
So, Pondicherry.
Puducherry, yeah, right, Puducherry. And there is a foreign parliament also where there was a move to
Yes.
pass a resolution against it. Which was that?
The European Parliament.
European Parliament. Now, and you might be very well aware that there is a state government which has moved to the Supreme Court under article. Which article of the Constitution related with this?
Sir, Article 131.
That's right, 131. So what exactly 131 article is?
So, Article 131 deals with the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in cases of federal disputes.
That's right. Now, there are 3 lists in the Constitution.
Yes,
In
sir.
which schedule?
In which schedule, sir?
Which schedule? 3 list. List means for legislation, state list, concurrent list, and union list.
Okay, the
Under
CA
which
is-
schedule of the Constitution?
So, it's under the union list, sir. The citizenship, the granting
No,
of
no, no.
citizenship.
That is different thing. My question is different. That was another one. My question is under which schedule of the Constitution these 3 lists are there?
Oh.
State list, concurrent
Okay.
list,
So, the 7th
union
schedule
list.
of the Constitution.
7th schedule of the Constitution. Now, as whatever subjects are there, state assembly can legislate. Everybody knows. Can there be certain circumstances where the parliament can legislate on the subject mentioned in the state list?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So, there are 5 different circumstances.
Yeah, tell me.
One is the declaration of national emergency.
Mhm.
One is the declaration of state emergency or president's rule.
Mhm.
The thirdly, when the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution
Mhm.
giving the parliament to
Mhm.
legislate.
Mhm.
Fourthly, when 2 or more states.
Right.
Uh,
Now, one more question related with this political science only. There is a BJP leader and who filed a PIL in Supreme Court. That was that there are certain states in the country and union territory also where Hindus are in minority. Minority means their number is less as compared to other communities.
Yes, sir.
Huh? In all over the country, Hindus are in majority,
Yes.
but in some of the states and union territory,
Right.
not territories, they are less in number as compared to other communities. Okay? So, by the way, in how many states and union territory they are less in number as compared to other communities?
So I
Any
think-
idea? Anyway, 7 states and 1 union territory.
Okay.
So that is not much relevant. So his PIL was that whenever Hindus are less than number than any other community, there they should get the benefit of all the schemes which are otherwise meant for minorities.
Right.
Okay, all over the countries definitely Hindus are majority, everybody knows.
Yes.
But in those states, those 7 states and 1 union territory, they are less in number as compared to other communities. So his PIL was that they should be given the benefit of those schemes in those particular states and whatever otherwise meant for minorities. So whether at all you agree with this, that they should get that benefit, what are your views related with this? Question is clear?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
clear about the question. So can I take some time?
Yeah, please.
So yes, on the outset, I think that this is a fair argument. If you are in a minority in a particular state,
Mhm.
then you can have some apprehensions of preserving your own culture and language, and you want to have educational institutes where you want to administer them, and you want to preserve your culture, your language, your ethnicity, and yes, sir. So, I think
So in this court, the Supreme Court's decision is that go to the High Court for this.
okay.
They have asked the appellant to go to the High Courts,
Okay.
respective High Courts. Anyway.
Thank you.
Jayant,
Yes.
you did not take up any job after graduating.
No, sir.
It was a dual degree program.
Yes.
Okay. Have you heard of Torrent? You would have used torrent in IIT.
So earlier in the first, second year, when we were not aware of the privacy and copyright
It's
infringements.
okay, I'm not asking
Yes.
about privacy. I'm
Yes.
sure every IITian has used torrent.
Yes, sir.
You would have used too.
Yes, sir.
What is the concept behind torrent?
Sir, it's a peer-to-peer network,
Hmm.
and so it bypasses the original copyright owners. They do not sell you, but people who already have purchased one copy, they establish a peer-to-peer network, and it's an illegal avenue. So they use this
Okay.
to share content.
Have you seen this movie Shubh Mangal Jada Savdhan?
No, sir, I have not seen the movie.
The movie tries to give a message in terms of bioengineering, biochemical engineering.
That's why I had
Tries to depict this message.
Okay, sir. Not
Anyways,
West.
you have not seen, so I am not asking that question.
Yeah.
These days, a lot of Android apps are being prepared by different state governments, central government. A lot of apps are there for different functions of the government. But the reality is these apps have not been able to create the impact among the public. So can you guess what could be the reason why the apps are not able to make a mark among the masses? Let's say for health or for education or for say electricity, water, different departments have come up with different types of apps
Yes.
across the country. So being an engineering student, can you guess what could be the reason behind this?
So firstly, I think due to the rich diversity of our country, the apps are not suited to different languages of people. Secondly, I think that the technology use is still not reached the potential, and the internet use among especially rural people is less. So expecting them to go on and find, and given that the awareness about such disparate apps are also less. But yes, the union government has and the state governments have taken some steps to consolidate all the different resources, such as the Umang app is there for unified governance. So I think such apps are also are getting used by different people.
Since you are part of Delhi, you have been staying here. What do you think how Delhi police could have leveraged the technology to stop these riots or to control these riots? How technology could have been leveraged?
So firstly, the cybercrime center could have sensed certain rise and uptick in social media platforms and fake news. They could have filtered that in association with the social media platforms such as Facebook and WhatsApp. They could have deciphered that there is some agitation going on. Secondly, I think in riot control situations, they could have used drones for surveillance and for nabbing the miscreants later on to do justice. Thirdly, sir, I think technology could be used in preventive measures, like intelligence bureau could have used, and
Anyways,
yes, sir.
you know what is 360-degree evaluation? Have you read this term?
yes.
What does it mean?
Sir, it's a new way of finding the performance of a civil servant to prepare their confidential reports and their performance report. 360 degree involves taking feedback from your seniors, from your colleagues, from different departments, or even from citizens, and then prepare a comprehensive evaluation of how a civil servant has performed, rather than solely depending on seniors.
Can you think of any example how we can use technology to bring 360-degree evaluation of officers, of government officers?
So 360 degree evaluation can be done by hosting redressal mechanisms and seeing how efficient and effective is the redressal the use of like how effectively you are dealing with cases. You can see pending cases. Secondly, I think you can develop an anonymous architecture around which your different colleagues, without any apprehension on giving their honest feedback, they can give their feedback without disclosing their identity. You can create such channels. And
can you explain what is the significance of barcode, of this barcode on this bottle? Why is this barcode about?
so the barcode on different products, especially as on this product also can display various details of the manufacturer so that people cannot just imprint directly what is the MRP or the manufacturing date or which lot has it come from, which industry has it come from. So you can store various authentic information and then you cannot easily manipulate such barcodes. It's a unique
Is
pattern.
it there on our Aadhaar card?
Yes, sir.
Have you tried scanning the
Yes, sir.
QR code?
Yes, sir.
What
I've
does it
used-
display?
No, the Aadhaar card I have not, sir. Sorry, I missed.
Okay.
I'll
Last
use-
question.
yes.
With respect to South China Sea, the stand of US changed last week. There were some certain aggressive developments US had taken last week in South China Sea, which annoyed China. So you know what were they?
No, sir, not aware.
Joint statement, President and Prime Minister.
And also there's a US
Counter
naval ships
terrorism and
beyond
South
two
China
islands.
Sea. Joint statement by Trump and Modi.
US also sent naval ships in the South China Sea.
In the last week.
Yes, in the last week.
Okay, sir, I'm not aware.
Listen, before we tell you, you are not supposed to sit like this.
Okay, sir.
You know, you are virtually turned and looking at him. The
अपना
thing is, luckily for you, it's not a revolving chair, it's a wooden chair.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so no way you can, there at the most you can.
आप ऐसा करेंगे अपना
You have
neck
to
को
turn your neck
face.
little bit, and that also 100% you should not look at him, 80% maybe, the 20% is for the rest of the members. We should not feel neglected, and especially if you turn the chair.
Your answer is to the whole, not to a particular member
Yeah.
or chairman.
And remember, this is a personality test.
Right.
The moment you enter until you leave, your personality is being judged. Not so much the answer you give,
Right.
but how you react. The manner and tenor of replies, your reaction, your facial expression.
You have to move
Gestures.
your neck, not the whole
These are
body.
more important.
Okay, sir.
Oh, your knowledge has already been tested. So if you change your this like this, it's terrible. Okay?
Okay,
But
sir.
luckily you don't have that problem there because of the chair.
Yes.
Thank you. Now we come after 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
We'll tell you.
Thank you.
Come.
The example of drone was very good.
Yeah. Jayan, sit down.
Thank you,
What's
sir.
your height?
So 6'1".
Very good, very good.
6'1".
And weight?
So it's 77 kilograms.
Oh, excellent. I mean, it's very proportional, nice. IPS you opted?
Yes, sir. In the second.
Number-
press.
Second?
Yes, sir.
And foreign service third.
Third.
Good. I don't see any. How have you done the return?
So this year it went well. Last year I had given along with my graduation and I missed by 14
Okay.
marks the mains.
20 marks. Oh, you didn't
कितना?
get the
20
call
कितना
now.
marks? How many marks?
So 14 marks.
14, 1 4.
14.
No, but you never appeared for interview.
No,
right?
sir. This is my first interview.
Yeah, so that way, how do you say 14 marks? You know the cutoff even for written.
हाँ.
Sir, the written marks come.
आजकल तो सभी बता देते हैं.
Yes, sir. Written marks come.
Very good. Lot of transparency in the system. That is where it begins.
Prelim का भी
And
बताओ.
hopefully it should not end there.
Technology is bringing transparency.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Only in UPSC. Even there it is necessary, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, because everybody works so hard. Achha, Jayant, you are very good. You know, but what is required is, as I told you, it's more a personality test than your knowledge. And there, you know, a bit of etiquette and the basic things, you know, like wishing the members, the way you walk in, the way you sit, and the way you see other members also, other than the person who has asked.
Okay, sir.
These things do matter. Some people feel neglected, ignored, then they don't like it.
Okay.
That apart, by and large, you are very clear-headed. But wherever you feel it's a bit shaky thing, then maybe you can excuse her in the saying that my limited understanding of the thing is start with that word. For example, the homosexuality and all that. Some members, especially all old people, are sitting. You see, their views may be very different.
Right.
At your age and your thing, there's nothing wrong.
Mhm.
But then there are medium to long-term implications. After all, we are not animals. You know what I mean? Human beings. You have brain, you study, you have to use some discrete. So, as a matter in one of the boards, no, he gave a very crude example. He said, suppose a woman starts sleeping with a dog and a man with a cow, what happens? You know, I mean,
Right. I understand.
I mean, you can't rule out the possibility.
Yes.
Once the thing like this is accepted, you see, the human being, after all, we are supposed to be civilized, you see. You know, of course, the word civilization within quotes. But then certain behavior, irrespective of your religion or our religion or any religion, there are certain norms of behavior for a human being. We have to be different from animal. Okay?
Right.
So what I'm saying is, in such thing, don't go on and on. And start off by saying my limited understanding of a complex issue like this is this. And then get away with it. Don't prolong and justify your stand. It's not that it is wrong what you are saying, but then everybody may not follow it.
Yeah.
No, just sir, with the permission of the chair, what the chairman means is, no, it's a very absolutely intellectual honesty.
Yes, but
on
then-
your part. What he means is, chairman means is, it is quite possible, conceivable, you may offend the sensitivity
Unintentionally.
of the value system.
Right.
You may have your quarrel with them.
Unintentionally. You know.
Yeah, unintentionally.
Right.
For example, we have taken it very lightly, and you are right at your age. I appreciate you are thinking in a way, but only with Jainism and all that. If you are really religious, some people can't tolerate. You know.
Sensitivities of the board also.
so-
I mean, emotional intelligence.
Yes.
Right, sir.
You get the point?
I understand.
So,
Yeah, so if you can coach you this way,
and especially if you want to get into foreign
instead of
surveys.
adopting it straight away,
Yes.
and by implication advocating it, which could be offensive to the sensibilities.
Okay, sir.
Keeping that possibility in mind, you can guard it, coach it in a guarded way. There
That's
is a
what I'm
school of
saying. This is
thought.
very important.
There is a school of thought.
You see,
Right.
It is also possible, conceivable, a little, I mean, make it, because it's a very, very serious, I mean,
Very serious.
because
Different
very
viewpoint.
contentious also. What
Yes,
the
sir.
chairman means is,
Yes, sir.
contentious, generational sin.
Not a clear-cut issue.
generation out.
But
And
possibly-
also religious outlook. Suppose you become ambassador to one of the Middle East countries, anything which is un-Islamic, you should better not utter.
Right.
You see, it is not your own standing, but the country's standing. They feel you are representing India, and this is India's view. You know what? At times we get into trouble because of wrong interpretation, wrong use of certain words.
Because if you look at
They
the
analyze very
three-
carefully.
Sorry, the 377 IPC, it says
Yes.
unnatural offences.
Yes.
I mean, at least in
Correct.
their wisdom, at least a century back, people thought in
Yeah.
their wisdom that it is something unnatural and therefore an offence. So that view is held at
Right,
least.
right.
So when you are talking about it, you have to be extra careful.
MCQ.
So quite some people
The
may
chairman
appreciate
of
your honesty
PCC
also, but the sensitivities.
Yes. He said
So
this exactly.
should I use certain words, or how do I conclude that that is my point of view about it? Sir, it's a complex issue.
Because, as Chairman said, it's a formal occasion.
Yes.
You will have to take the views of the, I mean, possible sensitivities of both a little careful. This
That's
is
all.
not these days, of course, the courts have been accommodative. Instead of directly, openly showing up your own preferences. So a little caution. So there is a school of thought, so it's very difficult.
You know, there is a saying, law is an ass. You know that? You must have heard, law is an ass. Which means, it's not that all the time one can go by law.
Right.
See, there are certain more than that. So
Society
anyway,
approval.
the limited point is all in such sensitive things. You start off by prefixing my limited understanding of complex things like this. This is a Supreme Court verdict. And my humble view is this. ऐसा करके छोड़ दो.
Diplomatic, a little more
Diplomatic.
Very important.
Yes,
You know, what you say is
Some may
not-
like whatever you
Yeah,
have said,
the-
some may not like.
What
The
you prefix and
diplomatically.
suffix is more important
It's a
than what
controversy,
you...
not all rest of the
Yes,
thing, but the
yeah.
opening topic was a little contentious
Yes.
and controversial. So
Understood.
you have to be a little wary of approaching that.
Well, we want to
That's
see your personality. The straightforward thing, you straight jacket, you are able to answer. But on such tricky issues, even 370 for example, 35A, all these also, you have to be very, very cautious in your reply.
Okay.
Of course, you should not criticize government, yes. But then, you know,
But at the same
Both
time,
sides.
don't be, I mean, you
Yeah.
should not inhibit your spontaneous replies. And
yeah, control your think for a second before replying.
Okay. Sir.
Eh?
Right.
That is very important. Anything you want to add?
Related with pollution, you have to prepare very well.
हाँ,
Pollution related तो last time हमारा काफी conversation हुआ था.
And the contribution of Punjab and Haryana to Delhi. We are saying, oh,
है ना,
we-
efforts made during past
It
20
is our
years,
own
2 years, ये
problem
सारा हमने
really.
डिटेल डिस्कस किया था शायद.
Yes.
हैं? अच्छे से करना है उसको. यमुना pollution
And
also.
current affair paper put out. Are you reading any economic daily?
No, sir. I read Indian
You better
Express.
start. No, economic daily means Business Standard, Economic Times,
Times,
Mint,
Mint.
Financial, any one.
Okay, sir.
Read seriously till your interview is over.
Okay, sir.
Apart from Indian Express, whatever you are reading.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This Yojana will come out with a special number on budget. Get hold of that.
आ गई होगी शायद.
नहीं
बजट वाली आ गई होगी.
नहीं 1 तारीख को यार मार्च
आजकल
date
में
है।
तो आई।
आज ही तो 1 मार्च है यार।
हाँ तो आज कल में आ जाएगी.
नहीं हाँ, 1-2 दिन में मार्केट में इसका तो 1 अप्रैल है।
I'll read about it.
Just buy that and read that. Hey, anything you want?
Just
Otherwise, Jayant, on the Delhi 2 issues, your answers were
very good.
very good.
No, other answers were very
Any
good.
issues?
Very good.
Okay.
Particularly when you talk about the agitation JNU, yes, they have the right to protest, but
Yeah.
not over. Supposing a section wanted to continue with the studies, they should not have stopped it. That's a very good, very valid point. Similarly, the use of technology in these things, drones, you get me? And then the cyber thing, the applications, you could have taken them with you and then stopped it. There are a lot of proactive actions by deploying appropriate technology. That's very good also. On the whole, very outstanding, but
Yeah.
there are minefield. The first topic was a
Yes.
minefield. You just you walked into the
They
minefield.
deliberately because I knew the other question will be pedestrian
But
for
not
you.
that there
You
will
know
be
what I mean?
minefield. But yes, from one point
So
of view,
just
intellectual
to
honesty,
see-
you are very bold, you are not hiding this thing. But then emotional intelligence,
Right.
that will be very much called for. Okay.
Definitely.
Yes.
Thank you.
And especially if a lady member is there, of course, hopefully they will not raise that. You have to be little more sensitive, depending upon the composition of the board. This is again,
Yes.
you should not be very unduly critical of a gender in some stage. I don't know, whatever it is, and take care of that. Even on the JNU, the one thing which most people bad about JNU is about 80% of them get stipend and all that, you know, and the amount of fees they have been paying is ridiculous. From 4 rupees to 20 rupees in 30 years, sir, the increase.
Yes, sir.
You know, of course, they have done a foolish thing. There should be marginal increase every year by 1 rupee or something. Suddenly, from 4 to 20, they are saying, oh, 5 times. You know, while in the IIT, you all pay through your nose.
Yes, sir.
Hardly few people get scholarship and all that. So there is a thing. There is a social, moral responsibility of JNU student to make full use of the thing and study and not create trouble and be politicizing. See, this is very enlightened when people are saying this. The budget grant, you know, for JNU is so much.
रूम रेंट 120 अब किया तो उसी में श्योर हो गया.
इसमें sure हो रहा है. And you know, near JNU where I stay, Munir and all, in one room, 2 students, they pay 10,000 rupees each.
Yes.
You know, people who are not able to get hostel accommodation. So, I mean, of course, the administration also could have negotiated with them. Or deliberately you pitch high and then come halfway. Instead of 20 rupees, make it 10 rupees, chalo. And with the understanding that each year will increase by 1 rupee or something. You know, something should have been. Anyway.
So no second chance.
Yeah.
इसी में 1 अप्रैल को आपका है अभी still
Yes, yes.
month तो इसी में
And
अच्छे से
result will be
पढ़ें.
out by 7th. So 8th is
इसमें
go
IAS
and
में
see
आना
some
है.
movie, Thappad. See one movie called Thappad.
लास्ट के 1-2 दिन रिलैक्स करना है. 1 तारीख से 1-2 दिन पहले.
So पहले
उससे
देख
पहले
लेते
नहीं.
हैं.
और उस दिन का
You never
न्यूज़पेपर
know,
मिस
they
नहीं.
ask a question on Tappad
भाई
itself.
Thappad भी
Obviously.
सोचो, nothing
सर
wrong.
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के कुछ क्वेश्चन है.
भाई बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के बताओ. आज के में कुछ पूछना है. पूछिए कुछ.
सर
पूछना
आपने
है.
जैसे वो नाम पूछ लिया था नोबेल प्राइज वाला.
हाँ भैया नोबेल प्राइज का तो ठीक है. ये तो
Yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट ये है ना रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. मतलब इसमें तो क्या हुआ डीएनए इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से जाएगी. डीएनए से आरएनए में जाएगी. आरएनए से प्रोटीन को जाएगी. तो वो तो अपना ट्रांसक्रिप्शन और ट्रांसलेशन ये तो पता होना चाहिए. डेसिफरिंग द जेनेटिक कोड डॉक्टर हरविंद खोवाना शेयर्ड नोबेल प्राइज विद नीरनबर्ग एंड होली.
Yes.
आपको लास्ट टाइम शायद बात हुई
Way
थी.
back in 70s.
अब वो डेसिफरिंग द जेनेटिक कोड से रिलेटेड नॉनसेंस कोड ऑन क्या ये तो बड़ा ऐसा चीज है जो कि नॉनसेंस कोड ऑन जो कोई किसी चीज को कोड नहीं करेंगे. कोई एंजाइम बनाने में नहीं मदद करेंगे. टर्मिनेट जो पंक्चुएशन फुल स्टॉप लगा देंगे. यूएजी यूएजी यूजीए ये टर्मिनेटिंग कोड ऑन है. ऐसा सिंपल थिंग BOD COD BOD में 99% लोग गलत बोलते हैं बायोलॉजिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड।
You do one thing.
तो वो बायोकेमिकल है।
Go through your website. There's a department of biotechnology in Government of India.
Yes.
You see their annual report.
I read it one.
राइस जीनोम, वी शुड बी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दोस। अगर प्रोफेसर अखिलेश कुमार त्यागी एंड ऑल दैट, 2 नेचर में पेपर हैं प्रोफेसर अखिलेश कुमार त्यागी के। ऐसे ऐसे लोगों का नाम याद होना चाहिए।
This is the second time hearing his name from you.
नहीं, 2 पेपर
नहीं, I know.
वो राइस जीनोम को उन्होंने ये किया।
Okay.
नहीं, ये बात सही है।
ऐसे
भी आपने कोट किया है।
नहीं, इनका सब्जेक्ट है
नहीं,
बायोकेमिकल एंड
it's important.
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी।
Many people know. Very good, all the best. Relax. I thought we should give you a flavor of the things
Yes,
to
sir.
come.
Thank you so much.
Good.
नो सेकंड चांस, फिर से जाओ।
Yes, sir.
नहीं, वो तो हाँ, थप्पड़ भी देख लो हो सका तो।
Yes, sir. So you had some suggestions you were wanting to tell.
No, just sir has already given.
अच्छा सुनो, क्योंकि आप पॉलिटिकल साइंस के YIAS, सर आई वांट टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस ऑफ द कंट्री। अब इससे रिलेटेड सारे क्वेश्चंस के लिए तैयार रहना। 1 अप्रैल को आपका है, आप अच्छे से तैयार कर सकते हो। आई वांट टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस ऑफ द कंट्री।
Right, sir.
ये इसका आंसर है, लेकिन इसके इर्द गिर्द क्वेश्चंस बहुत हैं।
भाई, इन्होंने औरों को भी ये बताया।
नहीं, वो ऐसे ही आप जैसे लोगों के लिए बोलते हैं, नहीं तो सब एक ही आंसर को देने लग जाएंगे तो फिर तो वहाँ ये हो जाएगा तो रट के आया
वो समझ जाएंगे।
ये बोल रहा था, ये बोल रहा था, ये भी यही बोल रहा
ये
है।
श्रीनिवासन स्कूल का है।
ये ऐसे ही।
ही।
इससे मतलब आप जैसे कैंडिडेट को जिसको पॉलिटिकल साइंस में अच्छा बेस है, उसके लिए बेस्ट आंसर है, क्योंकि सारी चीज फिर इसी पे ही घूमेगी।
They can go into political science and then I.
Yeah.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
Keep jogging. You go for a jog, no?
Sir, I do gymming, sir.
Huh?
I go for fitness. I do gymming.
Gymming.
Yes.
Good. But take care. Don't overdo.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.